Konnichiwa, Ai desu. Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my 2 girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Today I'm gonna use, this is the main ingredient thing, Aburaage. Aburaage, and I'm gonna introduce 3 dishes using Aburaage. So what is Aburaage? This one. Abura means oil and ageru means deep fry. So Aburaage is a deep fried tofu. And how they make it? Slice the farm tofu and first they're gonna deep fry. We deep fry with lower temperature, and it will expand the tofu and make a pocket in between. And then second process, deep fry in higher temperature, and it makes it nice crunchy outside, out coating or outside. So Aburaage is a double deep fried tofu, and they used to use not so good quality oil, so it has some they said it has a smell, so we had to blanch in hot water before we use. But nowadays they use a good quality of oil, so we don't have to blanch. We don't have to, but if you want to, you can. And Aburaage is famous for we use for Oinarisan or football sushi. And before I made a video, but other than that, we can use Aburaage for so many ways. And the beauty of Aburaage is that there's a pocket in between. So I'm introducing 3 dishes, and 2 of them. One is a Fukuroni. Fukuroni is a bag. Fukuro is a bag. And put the egg in between and then cook. So that's a Aburaage no Fukuroni. And second dish, Gyoza. I'm gonna put the ground chicken inside and then pan saute. So it's like a gyoza, but skin is Aburaage. And third one is very easy, simple one. Just saute without oil. And that's my daughter's favorite, and you can make it in 3 minutes. So let's see how to prepare 3 dishes using Aburaage, deep fried tofu. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. Our first dish is Aburaage no Fukuroni. We're gonna make 6. So 6 Aburaage, 6 eggs, 1 cup of water. And today we are using Dashi Powder, 1 teaspoon of Dashi Powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sake, 1 tablespoon of Mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And first cut off the top part of Aburaage, and we're gonna make a pocket and roll Aburaage with chopsticks. And this process makes it easier to open up the pocket. Rolling with chopsticks make it easier to make a pocket of Aburaage, and open up and place in a small place, and then in a separate small bowl, crack the egg, and we're gonna pour egg into the Aburaage pocket. And then top part we close with the toothpick. And repeat the process for the rest of 5 Aburaage. And then place 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of dashi, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and sake, 1 tablespoon of sake. And once it starts boiling, place the Aburaage with egg in a pot. And we're gonna, once it start boiling, turn down the heat to medium-low heat, and we're gonna cook about 8 minutes. And then you can put the top part of Aburaage. And while you are cooking, scoop out some cooking soup or cooking sauce and press over. Cook for 8 minutes. And you touch it and then you feel the hardness, then it's ready. 8 minutes. I cooked 8 minutes. And Aburaage no Fukuroni is ready. Press in a plate and then press some soup over it. And this one is my favorite. It tastes so Japanese. Next dish is Aburaage no Gyoza. We're gonna make Gyoza. We need 4 Aburaage, half pound of ground chicken, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, half tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, half bunch of green onion chopped. And we're gonna cut the top part, and this time I'm gonna use rolling pin. It's easier, and then roll and then make a pocket. And we're gonna make a filling. So place all ingredients in a medium bowl. Ground chicken, chopped onion, cornstarch, grated ginger, sugar, sesame oil, soy sauce, and salt and pepper. And using your hands, clean hands, mix very well until it gets all mixed and becomes sticky. Mix very well, and then divide into 4 and fill out in a aburaage. Inside of aburaage. And after filling, try to make it flatten so that the heat goes through faster. And repeat the rest. And we're gonna make a sauce for aburaage no gyoza. Soy sauce, some soy sauce, and this is rayu. Rayu is a spicy chili oil, and it gives a kick. So this is the same sauce as when we enjoy gyoza sauce, and some vinegar. And I don't have exact ratio. Maybe 3 soy sauce, 1 vinegar, and a little bit of chili oil. And then for this one, we don't need the oil because aburaage is deep fried, so it has oil already. So no oil. And in a frying pan, place the aburaage. And then we're gonna place lid and cook 8 minutes each side over medium low heat. 8 minutes each side. And as you can see, it gets nice and crunchy. So after turnover, another 8 minutes. And press the lid and another 8 minutes. And then it's ready. Aburaage. Gyoza aburaage. Gyoza no aburaage. Aburaage no gyoza is ready to serve. You can cut it half and then place in a nice plate and serve with the soy sauce. Soy sauce with spicy oil and vinegar. Very tasty. Last one, kari kari aburaage. I made the name. Kari kari is a crunchy aburaage. Aburaage is already crunchy, but we're gonna toss it on the frying pan. So cut the aburaage into bite size, and then we're gonna just roast on the frying pan. So over the medium heat, toss until aburaage gets nice and crunchy. And then from the side of the frying pan, spread some soy sauce and mirin. Just the seasoning is soy sauce and mirin. And just coat the surface so you don't cook long time. Just coat the surface with soy sauce and mirin. And then kari aburaage is ready to serve. This is a very yummy, easy snack or side dish.